If you keep falling off, like you start strong and then 2 weeks later you're back to I'll try it again on Monday, listen, this video is called Why You Can't Stay Consistent, and I need you to hear this because I don't think your problem is discipline. You're paying a cost you didn't budget for. And once you can see the cost, then you can fix it without pushing harder. In the last video, we talked about building a weekly system. Today is about troubleshooting why your consistency collapses even when you have good intentions. If you want practical systems that work in real life, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Here's what inconsistency usually looks like. You're trying to do content, clients, or work, admin, home life, family needs, health, and maybe you're rebuilding your business at the same time. So you set a plan that sounds reasonable, and then what? Life happens. And instead of adjusting the plan, most women do one of two things. One, they push harder until they burn out, or two, they stop and then feel guilty. Neither one is the answer. I'm going to give you a simple tool right now. If you do it honestly, it will tell you why you keep falling off. I call this the consistency cost audit, and it's only 3 questions. Are you ready? Question number 1. How many weekly promises are you currently trying to keep? Not goals, promises. Things that require output every week. Some examples may be posting a certain amount of times a day, emailing weekly, filming weekly, client work. You got the back end of the work, admin stuff, family routines, and if you own a community commitments. But the truth is, most people don't fail at consistency. They fail at too many promises for the available hours. So, how do we fix this? Cut the number of weekly promises. Pick the one promise that matters the most for the season. Question number 2. How many times a week are you switching between totally different kinds of work? What do I mean by this? Creating, admin stuff, clients, tech, content, emails, then you go back to creating again. That switching has a cost. Every switch steals time, focus, energy, and emotional bandwidth. So even if you worked all day, you feel like nothing moved. How do we fix this? Group your work by type. 1 content creation block, 1 admin block, 1 follow-up block. You're not doing more, you're wasting less. Question number 3. When you miss a day or a week, is it easy to restart? A lot of women don't have a restart plan, so when life happens, they spiral. I'm behind. I ruined it. I'll start over later. That's not a motivation issue. That's a design issue. How do we fix this? Create a reentry plan. What's the smallest step that puts me back in motion? Examples: if I miss filming, I'll outline 1 page. If I miss an email, I'll send a short, quick check-in. If I miss content, I'll post 1 simple thing. This isn't minimum standard as a concept. You already did that last week. This is re-entry. How do you get back in quickly without the shame? So I want you to do this. Take 60 seconds and write. 1, my weekly promises right now are, fill it in. 2, the biggest drain is switching between blank. 3, my re-entry plan is, when life happens, I will, what? If you do nothing else, do number 3, because re-entry is what keeps you consistent long term. If you want help simplifying your promises and building a rhythm you can actually keep, that's what we do inside my free community called Scale Without Noise. It's genuine support and practical systems without the hustle culture. To join Scale Without Noise, the link is below. If you're tired of starting over, you don't have to do it alone. And if this was helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'm going to keep giving you tools you can actually use. Now, watch the next video, because once you cut switching and reducing the number of promises, planning gets simple and consistency gets lighter. I'll see you in the next video.